the end of July and wanted to share with you some of my favorite things I found thrifting this month. Had a really good month and can't wait to share with you what I found. The first thing I found was this fall harvest picture. It's from Walmart, so it's brand new because it's still got the corner protectors on it, but I paid $1.99 for this, and it says Annual Fall Harvest Market, Pie Contest, Pumpkin Carving, and Hay Rides. So I'm going to find somewhere really special to put that here in a couple months. Picked up this bag of lemons and limes. Lemons and limes is something popular you decorate with during the springtime. Just a fresh, you know, the color yellow. And this whole bag was $2.99. If you were to go price these realistic lemons at Hobby Lobby, they're probably at least $10 or more. So I just couldn't pass that up for $3 for the lemons and limes. You can put them in a centerpiece or put them in a little basket. You know, it just brings a little pop of color when you're decorating for spring. So I'll just put those up and save those for later. I always pick up a couple bags of pantyhose. You know, I don't think anybody wears pantyhose anymore, but I tell you what I use them for 59 cents a pack. This is what I tie our tomato plants up with. Someone told us that trick years ago, and it has just worked ideally. It doesn't cut into your vines, and it just really is a good tying thing for your tomatoes. I just thought this sign was pretty cute for 59 cents. It says bacon makes everything better, and it's funny because my husband has a t-shirt that says that. So I'll find some little spot in the kitchen to hang that. I picked this up just to throw in a little 3-tier stand or something. I've even seen people make these into their pantry door handle. I thought that's a cute idea, but I'm just gonna clean it up, take the price and stickers off, and find somewhere cute to display it in my kitchen. For 99 cents, I just couldn't pass this up. This is a Magnolia ring, a Magnolia candle ring is what I call it, for 99 cents. Magnolias are so popular in the farmhouse decor, I couldn't pass that up. And along with it, maybe on a different trip, this metal little candle stand. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but I thought, how cute would this be to put the Magnolia ring on there and then stick a candle in the center? If that doesn't scream farmhouse, I don't know what does. And so I thought that was so cute. Can't wait to find somewhere to put that. The next thing I picked up I just thought was cute for 59 cents. It's a little hanging bottle. I've got some little hooks that are going in my entry hall, and I may just hang it in there. It was just, I thought it was neat. I picked up this. Not everybody needs a yellow seahorse, but it just happens to match my granddaughter's bedroom perfectly. Her bedroom is done in mermaids and seahorses, and her whole bedspread is got seahorses all on it. It's from Target, and she'll find a little spot to put that in her new bedroom coming up. This little 99-cent galvanized pail, can't go wrong with that. I can just take some water and wipe off that chalk marker and put anything I want in it. Roll up some hand towels, put lemons and limes in it in the spring, some little pumpkins in it in a couple months. Got a few candles. This For Everybody candle, this smells so good. It's blueberry muffin. It's never been burned, and I think I tore the price off, but it was like 99 cents, and these are at Kohl's for almost $10 for those jar candles. And I don't see these very often anymore because they have changed the packaging in the last year or so, but this is a Romanique brand, and if you're familiar with that, I know they're very popular in the southern region of the United States. You could only buy them like Dillard's and Macy's and boutique stores. They have potpourri, they have the oil, and they have votives, and they're very pricey. This is the smell of Christmas. This 2-pack would normally be about $15 or $16. That's how expensive they are, but they smell so good you almost just have to blow them out. This was what I used to burn years ago before everyone got into the Bath and Body Works candles, but they are still a real great company if you come across those candles. Just a fun little thing for 99 cents. Some glow-in-the-dark stars to put in my grandkids. There's enough in there, 50. I can give them each 15 or 16, and they can put it in their rooms. My kids had these growing up, and it was just fun when they go to bed at night. The little stars on their ceiling light up. They glow in the dark. And now this was a great steal. I wanted one of these years ago and just never bought it. This is a Tupperware season and marinade container. Is what they actually called it. I don't know if they still carry it or not, but back in the day, I would say in the last 10 to 15 years, they were at least $25 for, and it has like the ridged edge where you lay your meat, but you don't necessarily have to put meat in there, but it's made so that you can flip you know, and do your meat on both sides of the marinade, but you know, you can put cookies or whatever in it, and I like it because it's domed where you can do a mound of cookies. Another thing I found was a great little buy back in the day. I got this for 99 cents. I already have one. It is a adjustable Pampered Chef measuring cup. And I'm probably just going to save this one for the camper. It's made for dry ingredients, but it's just a great little space saver thing if you just need measuring cups, and they're adjustable and you just slide them up and down. This was probably about $10 back in the day, and they still sell them, but not exactly like this. But I got this one for 99 cents. Thought this would be cute out by the pool in the flower bed. I got this for 59 cents. I don't know what it's made of. It almost feels like concrete, but it's very sandy and very hard. It'll be cute out by the pool. This big metal leaf, it doesn't say where it's from, and it says $1.99. I really don't think I paid $1.99 for it, but I may have on one of those days it was just slow and I just liked it, who knows what. That I can sit on a side table, decorate with in the fall. Now here is, I think, my find of the summer. Those blue ball mason jars are kind of rare. You can find them in antique stores and places like that, but to find the top and the metal piece that goes with it, this was 59 cents. This one was 99 cents. These are like $10 in an antique store all day long, maybe $8 if you're lucky. I couldn't pass those up for $1.50 for both of them. And last but not least, I just picked up some great gloves. A lot of times, I don't know, about every year or so, I'll come across 2 or 3 sets of just awesome gloves for myself or for my husband or my grandson. So these are for him this year. These are for me, brand new. I want to say they maybe have charged me $1.99. They're super nice, very Gore-Tex feeling, very repellent, and so I'm looking forward to us having those this winter. So there you go, friends. A few of my goodies I found in July, and I encourage you, if you have a tight budget and you want to do the farmhouse or find some new things to refresh some of your rooms, thrifting is the way to go. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.